Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two powerful contenders in the world of robot vacuum cleaners that also mop your floors. In one corner, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus, and in the other corner, we have the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is priced at $549, while the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo comes in at $769. That's quite a difference in price, so let's see if the features justify the cost. Both of these robot vacuums offer powerful cleaning performance. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus features a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types. It also has patented Dirt Detect technology, which detects dirtier areas and cleans them more thoroughly. On the other hand, the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo boasts a 1,400 pascals suction power and a 2-in-1 mopping function with a 230 milliliters electric control water tank. It's designed for all hard floors and can quickly remove dust and debris. When it comes to smart features, both these robot vacuums have a lot to offer. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus learns your home and creates an Imprint Smart Map, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms whenever you want. It also works with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, giving you voice control options. On the other hand, the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo can be controlled through the Tuya Smart App, where you can create cleaning schedules, change cleaning modes, and even control the clean direction. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control convenience. Battery life is an important aspect to consider when choosing a robot vacuum. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus offers up to 100 minutes of runtime, while the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo matches that with 100 minutes as well. Both of them have self-charging capabilities, meaning they will automatically return to their charging base when their battery is low or when they finish cleaning. In terms of design, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus has a switchable bin that allows it to convert from a vacuum to a vacuum and mop combo. It's designed to handle both wet and dry floor cleaning. On the other hand, the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo comes with a slim design of just 2.87 inches, allowing it to reach every corner of your house or narrow spaces with ease. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here's an overall assessment of the two products. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus and the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. While the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus offers powerful performance, automatic dirt disposal, and compatibility with voice assistants, the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo shines with its mopping capabilities, advanced obstacle avoidance, and flexible cleaning modes. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons. See you next time.